Hello everyone. I want to come on and go live. Want to go live to let y'all know I'm about to go to the gym and I don't feel like it. But I'm going to go anyway. So I was like, you know what? There was a time you didn't feel like it and didn't go because you was bloated, busted, and disgusted. So why don't you get on and tell the people about it? So just going to tell you my testimony of the start of my journey. Yes, I'm going to tell you about my products because it's changing my life, literally. Ooh, I need to get my, hold on. While I'm talking, I need to get my gym stuff together. So I'm going to the gym. I don't know if you all can see me, but look, like, the stuff is working. I started out so bloated. I wanted you all to see my bloated picture right here. You see that picture right there with me being so bloated? That was the start of my journey with taking this detox tea. And I lost 15 pounds and David lost 30 pounds. But I was wondering today, like, well, what's the difference between me not wanting to work out then and not going, and me not wanting to work out today and actually going? Well, hey, Ma. Leona Stewart, Pastor Stewart. So what's the difference? And Ma, you got to get your steps in, okay? I need to check my watch, and I know we friends. But, so what's the difference? The difference is these products are giving me energy. In the beginning, you may not feel like working out. And I feel like that's okay. Like if you make small changes to your food and you're eating more water and stuff like that, you may not feel like working out, and that's okay. But as you lose weight and you do things consistently, mentally, and like energy with your body, you're going to feel like working out. So don't be hard on yourself, okay? Start somewhere. You may have some products in your cabinet that you're not using. I'm just asking you to use them. And if you don't have any products in your cabinet, you know how to contact me. But if you don't feel like working out and you don't work out, it's because you need energy, you're bloated, you got all these toxins in your body that's just weighing you down. And the more weight you lose, the more energy you're going to have to go work out. So my class starts at 3:30, it's 3:16. I'm just sharing with you all, the start of my journey was these 2 bags, okay? 2 bags. We took it every day for 30 days. I lost 15 pounds. David lost 30 pounds. We didn't even work out or change our diet. We just took the tea, okay? And one thing I want to tell y'all about this tea is it doesn't taste like tea, because I don't like green tea. I'm not a big tea person. The reason it's called tea is because of the ingredients, the natural herbs and stuff that's in it. So if anybody freaking out about tea, don't worry about it. But just want to get on here and say, you may not feel like working out. Just start somewhere with your diet, some little exercise, water. Just be consistent at whatever you're doing. And then once you lose the weight, you're going to have energy to be more consistent. So I'm about to get out of here, go to my 45-minute class at Orange Theory. I'll talk to you later. Love everyone. Hey, Crystal Pool.